Data extraction. As an SME director, your choices shape the trajectory of your organization. And let's face it, information is the foundation of those choices. But merely collecting data, that just isn't enough anymore. It's how you access and actually deploy that information that dictates your success in today's digital market.
The reality we're looking at is quite simple, really. Underutilized information directly translates to missed commercial potential. Think about it. When data just sits idle, the objective evidence you need to spot operational efficiencies or shifting market trends remains completely hidden in the dark. Relying on intuition rather than concrete evidence means lucrative opportunities for growth can simply pass you by.
This brings us to a reality you'll likely recognize all too well. Your raw data is dispersed. It's locked in silos right across your organization. You've got valuable records trapped in internal databases, information scattered across spreadsheets, CSVs, or JSON files, and numbers streaming in from connected IoT devices. When every single operational action leaves a digital footprint in a completely different location, piecing together a cohesive view of your business becomes incredibly demanding.
And that leads to a very specific bottleneck: the burden of manual exports. Relying on human routines to gather this scattered information consumes a massive amount of your team's time. If your staff is constantly chasing down sources, doing manual downloads, and stitching together fragmented files just to figure out what happened yesterday, well, your data has become an administrative burden rather than a strategic asset. So let's contrast this manual chaos with a modern, structured approach: centralized and automated extraction. Instead of wrestling with disconnected sources and relying on repetitive human routines, the process is systematically streamlined. Data is pulled automatically from its origin, flowing directly into a centralized environment where it can finally be put to work.
We adapt to the unique digital reality of your organization, delivering all your necessary data in your required format through one unified access point. By utilizing a single API, different software and systems communicate seamlessly. You obtain vital insights from one central hub, allowing you to easily plug that intelligence directly into the tools your team already uses every single day.
A crucial principle underpins this entire process, and that's data sovereignty. We treat your data as a highly valuable asset. Because of this, it's processed exclusively on servers hosted within the European Union. This structural decision provides a framework for clear transparency and reinforces the protection of your information, keeping your digital assets firmly within a regulated European jurisdiction.
So, how is this achieved? Through a structured, collaborative methodology. We begin by reviewing your strategic goals to personalize the service, before mapping out all your existing data sources. Next, we develop the specific tools required to connect to those sources, even building new ones if necessary. We then extract that data to our servers, where the vital step of cleaning and sorting takes place. We remove duplicates and errors so it accurately reflects reality. Finally, we deliver this refined, pristine data back to you via an API ready for your infrastructure. This systematic approach directly empowers your daily operations. You achieve true operational continuity, accessing information steadily without depending on staff availability. You save highly valuable resources by automating exports and removing repetitive tasks from your team's workload altogether. Ultimately, you benefit from simplified integration. By receiving formatted data without the usual friction, your team stops chasing sources and starts focusing on strategic growth. Yet, when integrating these technical solutions into your business, our core philosophy remains distinctly human. In an era obsessed with automated bots and virtual assistants, we believe your critical strategic decisions require personal, direct collaboration. Real operational realities are effectively discussed human to human. That is a highly constructive way to tailor a solution that fits your exact needs.
Shall we talk?